Hello everyone, this is KAHEVA, all knowledge of the world, head, heart, and soul. No one is telling the truth, but KAHEVA tells the truth. About California fire, people around the world, South Korea, China, and Russia says this: God has burned Sodom and Gomorrah. California fire is God's judgment. California is a city of grape wine. Sodom and Gomorrah was also the city of grape wine. Of course, it was a city where peppers like peppers. The Great Fire in California is not an incident, it's a man-made disaster. People with only head and heart are ruling California. California is the most morally corrupt city in the world. We have to be the people of the head, heart, and soul who find the cause from the effect and find the effect from the cause. Many people have been victimized by the California fire. I pray that there is God's consolation to those who have lost their homes and been victimized. The cause of the California fire is known to everyone in the world. Publicly, the cause of the fire is Diablo winds. In the private sector, California is a wonderful city with good weather like Sodom and Gomorrah. However, because it is the most morally depraved city in the world, it was judged by God's punishment. The United States is a world's policeman. The United States represents a Christian nation. However, the Biden administration and the US have flown the flags of fire over the world. The Biden administration has dispatched American ambassadors throughout the world. The ambassadors became the speakers of the rainbow flag and celebrated the festival. Rainbow stands for water. The rainbow flag represents the promise that the world will never be ruined by water again. However, California and the Biden administration have lost the water and waved the rainbow flag to the United States and the whole world. This rainbow flag has become the flag of fire. War is the wind. War is fire. If Trump doesn't clean up the crimes of US leaders, the wind and fire of war will burn the US. The wealthy in California who own the finest homes waved the flags of fire, the flag of rainbow. Around Hollywood, they waved the flag of fire to the world, destroying the world order. They made sure that double gender had a strong impact on California and the world. The LA fire chief is a T-Gen. His name is Christian Crowley. He cut off his pepper, a fire hose. Of course, he couldn't put out the fire because he didn't have a hose. He cut the firefighters by 40%. Crowley carried out a rainbow flag movement of fire, not water. LA's first female mayor, Karen Bass, cut $20 million in firefighting budget. Of course, the $20 million were used in making sodomist toilets. It was used in elementary school to support chick sexuality distinguisher. The governor, mayor, and the fire marshal spread the rainbow message, making California to burn in the fire of the apocalypse. Second causes of the fire is as follows. The Biden administration continues to fund and arm the war in Ukraine, which is the most stupid and meaningless war since the founding of the US. There's only one purpose: to lead young soldiers from Ukraine and Russia to the valley of death. KAHEVA went on to say, Ukraine is fighting an unwinnable war and Russia is fighting an unlosable war. Naturally, the unwinnable Ukraine must surrender completely. The assets Biden has sent to Ukraine should have been used in keeping US safe, and funds were used in spreading the word of confusion around the world. The Bible promised not to ruin the world again with water, and floated rainbow as a meaning of that promise. The Bible says that the last of the world is fire, and as proof, Sodom and Gomorrah were burned. California waved the flag of fire. In particular, the Biden administration has waved fire flag around the White House and the world. Correct public opinion, the right public opinion, is not said by anyone. The media doesn't speak either. Head, heart, and soul of KAHEVA says. The cause of the California Great Fire is God's punishment for Sodom and Gomorrah, California. This is the common opinion of South Korea, China, and Russia. There are two kinds of public opinion in the world. One is the public opinion instigated by the media and the government. One is the public opinion of the wise, based on the truth of the head, heart, and soul. Leaders should value the public opinion of the wise. As Trump takes office, he should immediately stop giving any support to Ukraine. The war in Ukraine should come to the end, and the senseless deaths of young people in Ukraine and Russia should be stopped. The last prayer of the dying Ukrainian soldiers at the Ukrainian battlefield is never about protecting. They are sorry that they can't get back to their family alive. They are dying, missing a simple life and family. The war in Ukraine is not an ideological war against the Communist Party. It's not even a war on religious faith. But it's not even a war for freedom either. The US backed Ukraine with a demand to make Russia as weak as possible. But in reality, it was an evil support to kill each other as much as possible. The people were swept up in emotion, not reason, and they publicly assaulted a righteous politician who said the right thing. Russia thought that if it drove tens of thousands of tanks to Ukraine's capital, Ukraine would respond to negotiations for peace. But Kyiv made the worst choice. It was to use the to destroy the Russian tank corps. Kyiv won the victory for death. Kyiv won for the apocalypse. The poor don't care about PC or DEI. The poor simply wish to have family, a place to sleep, and food. Those who are drunk on the knowledge of alcohol claim PC and DEI. Those who became drunk of ghost and scarlet women made decisions on Ukraine policy. I hope California repents. What's more important than freedom is to end the hunger of the poor and the war where the poor are sacrificed. This is KAHEVA. See you in the next video. God bless you.